Hi, my name is Mrs. Schiffman. I am excited for you to be part of my Utah Studies class. A little bit about me. I grew up in Utah. I went to Oker Hills Middle School and Riverton High. I met my husband in 8th grade math class. We passed notes. Remember, this is before texting. We have 4 children. There's a picture of us. A little bit about each one. It's better if I tell you about my kids up front because then when I talk about them in future videos, you know who I'm talking about and a little bit about them. Henry loves Minecraft, Nerf guns, and parkour. He's 6 and he's constantly jumping and climbing off of stuff. Lily is 4. She loves dancing and Play-Doh and always being the bad guy whenever we're playing something. And she loves making people laugh. Calvin is obsessed with PJ Masks and is always saving the day. Sawyer is 6 months old and loves trying new foods and watching Lily dance around the house. He just giggles. So here are my 4 kids, and even though life is busy at our house, I love taking the time to teach because I love helping others learn about the world around them through the lens of history, where we basically have been. So why study history? History helps us understand who we are and make better decisions in the future. Studying history gives us a sense of gratitude for what others have done to get us where we are. History also gives us an understanding of others and for us to be more patient and kind when we know what they've been through. I love history and know it gives us a sense of us and also where we are headed. It can be overwhelming sometimes with all that has happened, but don't worry. I'm here to help you through Utah history and I'm excited to learn with you because I always learn from my students. Everyone has a unique perspective and a story to be told. There's a lot of fun activities that we have planned and ways for me to get to know you. So look forward to that and I can't wait to hear how you fit in the history of Utah.